What's going on? Nick here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. Got a 2014 Harley-Davidson Sportster 883 Low. And this thing's got some pretty nice upgrades on it. Start out with the paint. It's vivid black. Harley-Davidson in orange. Silver pinstripe, 883cc. Fuel-injected V-twin, 5-speed transmission. It's got the Roland Sands Designs high-flow breather, and it's got the Vance & Hines stubby pipes. It's got forward controls. It's got upgraded wheels. Pretty cool looking. And it does have the matching rear wheel. It's got upgraded handlebars. Nice set of Avon grips. It's also got this Puig little tinted fly screen. Good tires on the front, or good tire on the front. It's a Michelin Commander 2. It's got the Willie G axle nut covers. So as far as any kind of cosmetics, it's got a super small dent. It's very small. You're probably not gonna be able to see it. Probably see that fingerprint I just put on there though. Check out the pictures at cleanharleys.com. You'll see it better that way. There's a small scuff on this turn signal. And the side panel right here has been repainted. And you can see there's a rub mark right there. Wasn't painted very good. If you want to get it painted, probably like 50 bucks or so, or just buy new. It's just a plastic piece that pops on. It's got the swing arm bag, and it is one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles, so it's been through our 32-point pre-delivery inspection. We test rode it, made sure everything was working correctly, and then gave it a professional detail. The rest of the bike looks great, just those small things I pointed out. And it's only got 4,580 miles. Bike runs great. If you'd like to know more about it, pick up the phone and call us at 888-400-1151. You can also check out our website at cleanharleys.com. Got a full set of detailed pictures on this bike. You can also see the rest of our inventory. We do offer finance and warranty options. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes worldwide. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. The freedom to choose.